Today we're going to be working with toilet paper. Hope you stick around. Hey, it's Todd with TLF Works, and today we're going to be making a project using Quilted Northern. That's right, toilet paper of choice here in North Dallas. Well, I don't know if it's a toilet paper of choice or not, but it's what was available to me when we went shopping. So I was lucky enough to get this 6-pack. We're going to put it to use. Here we go. So we're not going to do a project with this toilet paper. This stuff's like gold. Although I hope people are not going crazy for it anymore. But I was lucky enough to get this 6-pack about a week ago. I'm going to put it to its proper use here. We're not going to mess with it in the shop. You know, happy April Fools. And, you know, with that said, I hope everybody is doing well out there. I know that this COVID-19 virus is like changing our lives and really putting us into a spin that's, you know, hard to figure out. But, you know, this too shall pass. Right? Yeah, so, you know, we're going to get past this. Maybe as we're going into the summer months here, we'll have a little bit of reprieve from it. But, you know, the important things, you know, in today's world is take care of yourself. All that social distancing and everything, it's so important, right? And you might be a young guy out there, 30, 40, 50 years old, right? You might be an older guy. We got to take care of and protect the people that are at risk with this virus. And so it's not about me, and it's maybe not about you. It's about the people that we would come in contact with, right? And so, you know, we have to be careful there. That social distancing is important. We need to do all this stuff they're talking about. Wash your hands all the time, right? This virus only lives for a certain amount of time, and you know, I know that it differs based on the surface that it may come in contact with. But if you wash your hands a lot, don't touch your mouth, nose, eyes. It goes a long way to protecting yourself, and by protecting yourself, hopefully you're protecting others as well, right? I'm no expert in all this. I've just been paying attention and trying to do my part, and I hope you're doing your part too. So yeah, I'll put out better videos in the future here with woodworking in them. Yeah, you'll see one. You'll see one come up real soon where we'll make some pens or something. We'll do some segmenting. We'll turn a bowl. We'll do something fun. But today, let's just take a moment out of our lives and make sure that we're considering everything we need to do regarding that virus. And don't hoard all the toilet paper. So, have a good day. So I was just checking on the internet there, you know, the old YouTube thing, and I noticed that there's a couple of guys that have put up actual toilet paper projects, like Peter Brown, Jackman Works, maybe a couple others. If I've come across them, I'll put links to theirs in the description. You know, they're doing actual stuff and being creative there, not just being silly on a video for an April Fool's joke. So check them out, and hey, if you could subscribe to my channel, that would be great. And I always appreciate you hitting the like button, and leave me a comment below and tell me what kind of projects you've done with your toilet paper. I don't want the obvious ones, and you know what they are. Take it easy.